Ford just changed the game. And if you own a heavy-duty truck or plan to buy one, you need to hear this right now. The 2027 diesel engine coming from Ford is shaping up to be one of the most significant powertrain developments the truck world has seen in years. We are talking serious torque, serious durability, and serious engineering intent. This is not a cosmetic update or a minor spec bump. This is Ford going back to the drawing board and building something designed to dominate every towing and hauling scenario imaginable. For decades, diesel power has been the foundation of heavy-duty performance in America. Farm operators, fleet managers, construction crews, and fifth-wheel towers have all relied on diesel torque to get the job done day after day. While competitors have been pushing hard with their own diesel platforms, Ford appears ready to remind everyone exactly who set the standard in the first place, and exactly who still holds it. Let us start with what matters most to truck owners. Torque. Not horsepower. Torque. Horsepower is the number that sounds impressive in commercials, but torque is what actually pulls a loaded gooseneck trailer up a mountain grade without breaking a sweat. Early engineering analysis and industry projections suggest Ford's 2027 diesel is being built specifically to maximize torque delivery at low and mid-range engine speeds. We are looking at output figures that could push beyond what the heavy-duty segment already offers today. That means stronger launch feel when you are hooked to 20,000 pounds or more, smoother acceleration when you are loaded down, and far better composure on long uphill pulls. Powertrain engineers who specialize in heavy-duty applications consistently point out that usable torque at low RPM matters far more than a peak number on a spec sheet. If Ford has genuinely improved turbocharger response and refined combustion timing, drivers will feel that extra pull right from idle, and that is exactly where it counts most when you are moving a heavy load from a dead stop. Now let us talk about the turbocharging system, because this is where a lot of the torque gains are expected to come from. Ford is widely believed to be advancing its variable geometry turbocharger technology for the 2027 model. The goal is faster spool-up and higher sustained boost pressure throughout the RPM range. In practical terms, that means less turbo lag when you press the accelerator, stronger response in the mid-range where most towing happens, and far better performance at elevation, where thinner air typically hurts diesel output. What makes this approach smart is that improving airflow management through refined turbine geometry and better intercooling allows Ford to extract more torque without necessarily increasing engine displacement. More power from a refined package also opens the door to improved fuel efficiency under load, which matters enormously to anyone running a truck commercially or logging high annual mileage. More torque means more stress on internal components, and Ford clearly understands this. The 2027 diesel is expected to feature significantly reinforced internals throughout. Think upgraded forged pistons, stronger connecting rods, a more robust crankshaft, improved head gasket sealing, and revised cooling jackets around the cylinders. These upgrades might not make for flashy marketing material, but they are the difference between an engine that lasts 150,000 miles and one that comfortably crosses 300,000 without major work. Cylinder pressure management is absolutely critical in diesel reliability. When you increase boost levels and fuel delivery to chase higher torque numbers, you have to strengthen the supporting components, or the engine will eventually pay for it. The fact that Ford is reportedly reinforcing those internals suggests this is not simply a torque chase. It is an engineering commitment to long-term dependability. The fuel injection system is another area seeing meaningful improvement. A next-generation high-pressure common rail system is expected to bring higher injection pressure, multiple injection pulses per combustion cycle, and improved spray pattern control inside the cylinder. Better fuel atomization directly improves both torque production and emissions management. It also smooths out diesel knock and gives the throttle a more refined feel. The result is a diesel that delivers monster numbers while behaving with a level of polish you would not expect from a pure work engine. Heat management is just as important as power generation. High torquey output generates enormous thermal load, and if the cooling architecture cannot keep up, reliability suffers quickly. Ford's 2027 updates are anticipated to include a higher capacity radiator, improved oil cooling circuits, upgraded transmission cooling, and enhanced intercooler efficiency. For truck owners who regularly tow at or near maximum capacity in hot southern states, these upgrades are essential rather than optional. The 2027 diesel will almost certainly power updated versions of the Ford F250 and F350 Super Duty. These trucks already rank among the best towing platforms in the segment, and a torque-focused engine upgrade could extend that lead meaningfully. Beyond higher maximum tow ratings, drivers can expect improved fifth-wheel stability, stronger engine braking on downhill grades, and smoother descent control with a heavy trailer pushing from behind. Torque is not purely about pulling forward. It is about control in every direction. The transmission pairing will be just as critical as the engine itself. Ford's heavy-duty automatic gearboxes are already engineered for extreme torquey loads, but 2027 calibration updates are expected to deliver smoother shift timing, reduced gear hunting under sustained load, improved torque converter lockup behavior, and enhanced long-term durability. Software tuning plays an enormous role in how torque actually feels behind the wheel. Even moderate mechanical gains can feel transformative when the transmission shift mapping is properly optimized for heavy towing conditions. On the emissions side, Ford faces the same challenge every diesel manufacturer does. Regulations keep tightening, and the pressure to reduce harmful output continues to grow. The likely approach for 2027 includes advanced exhaust gas recirculation refinements, updated diesel particulate filter management, improved selective catalytic reduction systems, and smarter diesel exhaust fluid dosing. The key insight here is that cleaner combustion at the cylinder level helps the emissions hardware work more efficiently, and power does not get sacrificed in the process. Beyond raw performance specs, everyday refinement matters deeply to modern truck buyers. The 2027 diesel is expected to run quieter, vibrate less, respond more crisply at the throttle, deliver better highway fuel economy under load, and start more reliably in cold weather. The gap between a heavy-duty diesel and a comfortable daily driver has been closing for years, and Ford appears to be pushing that gap even further closed. In a market where Ram and General Motors are both aggressively developing their own diesel platforms, Ford's strategy centers on higher usable torque, stronger reliability, better thermal management, and deeper electronics integration. Winning the diesel segment long-term is not purely about a peak torque figure. It is about warranty confidence, lower maintenance costs, strong resale value, and a reputation for going the distance. Fleet operators and working contractors frequently keep trucks well past 300,000 miles. Reinforced block construction, upgraded oil circulation, enhanced filtration, and smarter onboard diagnostics that can flag problems before they escalate. All of these point to an engine built with that kind of longevity firmly in mind. Electric vehicles are reshaping the automotive world, but in heavy-duty towing, diesel still holds the crown. For anyone hauling livestock, pulling construction equipment, towing a large RV, or running a commercial fleet, diesel torque remains the most practical solution available. Ford's 2027 engine is a clear signal that internal combustion development is far from finished. It is evolving with real purpose and clear direction. If early expectations hold, this will not simply be another update. It will be a definitive statement that Ford is still building the most capable, most durable, and torque-focused diesel on the American road.